Hello everyone and welcome back to the first video of 2026. Today we're going to do the letter K. As always, we'll start by prepping the surface and gathering some supplies. Went with a nice light pink base coat. Can you guess which character this is? Sketched out our little friend's face here. It was definitely looking a little scary at this point. I went in and added the whites in the eyes and I think that helped a lot. And here's our final result. If you didn't guess it, it was Kirby. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you want to let me know what I should make next, comment below. Bye!